Hello everybody. In this video I would like to provide a brief introduction and a walkthrough of the second learning module by quickly outlining its main objectives, main questions, and also walking you through some of the important features of the assignments of the module. If you look at the title of the module, Editing of Writing in Your Academic or Professional Field, what it tells us is that the assumption we're working here from here is that editing has both features that cover and span across different fields and disciplines, as well as features and activities that are specific to particular fields, professions, or academic disciplines. So the main question of this module really is, to what extent do the activities of professional writing editing depend on the field or profession in which it is being practiced? And that's the question that we'll engage with in this module. So if you look at the assignments of the module, we start off with a couple of discussion forum postings which are based on assigned readings. The readings are online and they're linked in to the discussion forums. When you click on those discussion forum assignments, you will see the LinkedIn readings. But then I will ask you, in the second half of this module, I will ask you to create a more formal report, essentially, on what you see as being the main predominant influences of your field, your chosen academic discipline or profession, on professional editing practices in that field. So if you look at assignment number 3 in this module, Conventions of Professional Editing, Draft 1, this is where the report assignment is described in great detail. So read that, and then you will be asked to create a first draft of that report, which will then be reviewed by your peers and by myself, and then you will revise that into a second and final draft version of this report and submit it to me for a grade. And then the final assignment of this module, as is the case with every other module, is the synthesis and reflection discussion post. So again, we're going full circle from kind of where we are now in the beginning of the module. What do we know about this question, this topic, to a synthesis and reflection, adding, integrating new knowledge, new information, new understandings of the questions towards the end of the module. A couple of notes on the report assignment that are worth mentioning. First of all, you will see from the syllabus that the report assignment in its totality is worth 15 points. And the way they're being distributed, these points are being distributed across the different components of the assignment, is as follows. For your first draft, you will get 8 points maximum. For your peer review, you're going to get 3 points. And then for the revisions and for the preparation of the final draft, you will get 4 points. So 8 plus 3 plus 4 equals 15. The other note about the report assignment is that we will use the collaborations feature of the website, of the course site, to create those. You will use Google Docs, which is a feature in the collaborations function of Canvas. I will create a Google Doc for everybody to use, and I will ask you to use that Google Doc for the posting and sharing of your report assignment with me and with your classmates. I will create the Google Doc in the by the second week of the second module, and I will let you know when that's ready to go. So again, the focus of this module is to look at how conventions and activities and contents of a specific academic field or professional discipline influence professional editing practices in the discipline. So again, if you look at how we're progressing from module 1 to module 2, is we're narrowing things down from looking at professional writing practices as a whole to now narrowing things down to a relationship between an academic field or a discipline or a professional field and editing. And then from there on out, you will see in the third module we're moving down to beginning to learn actual editing techniques and editing principles. Again, if you have any questions, as always, please let me know by posting them in the FAQ forum or by emailing me. Again, the FAQ forum method is preferred, again, simply because once the question is out there, everybody can see it and everybody can see the answers. So use that rather than emailing it to me. But if you for some reason prefer to email me, that's fine. Thank you again very much, and I look forward to working with you on this module. Bye-bye.